Hello, my name is Omkar Sanjay Karande, and today's topic is noise pollution. Noise pollution is also known as environmental noise or sound pollution. It refers to the presence of expressive noise in our environment that interface with normal activities, trace, and other harmful to human health and well-being. The types of noise pollutions can come from various sources, including transportation of the car, such as car, trucks, airplanes, and trains, industrial activities, the construction sites, the effect of noise pollution can be wide range and significant. Physically, it can lead to hearing loss, hypertension, stress-related sleep disturbance also. The noise pollution is very harmful for the human health. Also, wild animals. Some effects to control noise pollution are involve measures such as soundproofing buildings, implementing noise regulations, and also use tutorially technologies are soundproof technology. Also, public awareness is very important about noise pollution and education about this issue. And educate the people about this issue. The reducing noise pollution is not only the improves quality of life of individual but also contribute to the healthy and major suitable environment. The noise pollutions are also known as environmental noise or sound pollution. Noise pollution are created by the refer to the presence of the distributed noise in our environment that interface normal activities, the causes stress, this is harmful to human health and well-being. The type of pollution can be come for various sources, including transportation, such as car, truck, aeroplane, and trains, industrial activities like construction of buildings, construction sites. Also, the effect of noise pollution can be wide range and significant. Efforts to control noise pollution are involve measurements such as soundproofing buildings, implement the noise regulations, also public awareness very important about regarding to the noise pollution, educate the people about this issue. It is very important for reduce the noise pollution.